Hello, did you get this message or just change your tires? And want to find how to reset the tire pressure light on Toyota Yaris 2025, Corolla, CHR, or other Toyota cars? It's easy. The quickest way to check your actual tire pressure is simply on the main screen. Press Vehicle and get each tire's actual pressure. For the tire pressure reset, it's in your steering wheel menus. First, use the arrows on your steering wheel to scroll over to your vehicle settings menu. Scroll down until you find TPWS setting, which stands for Tire Pressure Warning System, and press OK. Now click on Tire Pressure Setting. You'll see two options. If you just want to set it based on how much air is currently in your tires, scroll down and click Setting by Current Pressure. It will ask if you are sure. Just select Yes, and the car will recalibrate the system to your current tires. Alternatively, you can choose Setting by Specified Pressure to manually select your exact factory bar ratings for the front and rear tires, like 2.3 or 2.2 bar. Once you save it, your light is gone.